Hi gang, it's Mike and Mary with a reminder that June 1st is our virtual Master Sales Academy. June 1st. That's soon.
I know. I hope you can come. You know, you can't say, well, it's too far to go because it's virtual. It's the first time ever we've done a Floyd Wickham event virtually. So no excuses. You got to be there. Floyd will be there.
Yeah, and whenever we do an event, we put a banner up over the entrance, and it says, through these portals come the best trained, most generous agents in North America, and the nicest. That's who you're going to meet there. Great people.
And you're going to learn a lot. Our number one goal, as Michael said, is help you get to the second half of the year with prosperity. So that's the focus, rebuilding your business, and we've got the people lined up to show you how to make that happen in 2020.
Go to floydwickman.com/MSA.
See you there.
We'll see you on June 1st.